Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious nachos chips with an easy guide. First, gather all your ingredients, like 1 bag of your favorite tortilla chips and about 8 ounces of shredded cheese. You can use cheddar, Monterey Jack, or a blend. Next, preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Finally, line a large baking sheet with parchment paper. This simple preparation ensures your nachos cook evenly and cleanup is a breeze. Now, let's build those layers. Start by spreading about half of your tortilla chips in a single, even layer across the parchment-lined baking sheet. Don't overcrowd them. Then, generously sprinkle half of your shredded cheese over these chips. This ensures every chip gets some cheesy goodness. Repeat this process with the remaining chips and cheese, creating a second layer. This layering technique helps distribute the heat and toppings perfectly. It's time to bake your masterpiece. Place the baking sheet into your preheated oven. Bake for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until the cheese is completely melted and bubbly, and the chips are slightly golden. Keep a close eye on them to prevent burning. Once done, carefully remove the hot nachos from the oven. Immediately add your desired toppings like salsa, guacamole, or sour cream, and serve them warm for the ultimate snack experience. The best part about nachos is customization. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses, like spicy pepper jack or a rich Mexican blend, to find your perfect flavor profile. For a more substantial meal, consider adding cooked ground beef, shredded chicken, or black beans before baking. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade nachos and get creative with your toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.